In last lecture, we have started this ecological succession. The plant succession or ecological succession, that is the gradual replacement of the one type of plant community by another type of plant community. So it is replaced as the time passes. So new community will come after replacement of the or after the decaying of the that plant. New plant community is formed. So this process will continue till the stable community gets established. So this plant community is not stable, but it is dynamic. So this succession is the occurrence of the relatively definite sequence of communities for a period of time in the same area. There is a sequence of communities. So that community will survive for replacement. That plant that will provide uh, uh, their own food. They will for a certain period. After certain period, after their uh, uh, after their growth, then that plants are replaced by new by which the becomes communities. So this colonization will occur. Colonization of the communities. This is a definition given by Clements in 1916 in the definition of ecological succession. It is a natural process by which the same locality becomes successfully colonized by different groups of communities. The process is shown here. In that, the first step is nudation, second is invasion, third is competition and coaction, fourth one is reaction, and climax or stabilization. This is a process of succession, ecological succession. In the first process, nudation, before before growth of the plants. So initially, the seeds of the plants are laid, which are spread in the soil. Then water is applied for that uh, or the on the roots of the plants. Then they will grow for a certain period. So on a plain ground, these seeds are applied, and after a certain period, that plant will grow, and they will produce their own food. Then after that, invasion is done, entry of new organisms, new communities form. That is invasion. So that invasion is due to migration, SSS, and aggregation. In the migration, so it is a transfer of genetic load from one place to another place. in the form of seeds or spores, propagules in a new area by winds, water, and animals. So this migration of this community from one place to another place, migration of the plants from one place to another place. So this is migration. So in SSs, the new migrants adjust with the climate, they adjust with the environment, and they will settle, and new communities form after their migration. So that process is known as SSs. So after SSs, aggregation of the communities, number of individuals will increase in the number of individuals by colonization and reproduction. That is known as aggregation. This is the invasion. After invasion, third step is competition and coaction between communities. After migration, SSs and aggregation, competition will start between the organisms, between the plants, for their space, for their food, light. So that competition between the communities, between the organisms, that will start, and so this competition will increase as there is increase in the population. So, so this is competition, and coaction is the as the these communities, as they gradually disappear, so individual species affect each other's life in various ways. So there is a coaction is there between these communities, competition and coaction. So after this competition coaction, the reaction is there. In reaction, what happens? So due to increase in changes may take place in the soil, water, light conditions, temperature of the environment. There is changes may occur. That is a reaction. Changes in the soil properties, water condition, then light conditions, temperature of the environment, that may change. So these changes in the environment, that becomes unfit for the existing community. So it will becomes unfit for the existing community. So there is a modification in the environment. So after this reaction, stabilization will occur. Stabilization is the after reaction due to climate changes. What happens? The existing community will become less favorable. So the new invaders, new community, that will become more favorable for the climate change. and existing committee will be less favorable to climate changes. So old committee will be that are replaced by new committee. So they will adjust with the environment. So as the plant succession progresses, the animals in the community also change. So they will adjust with that environment. So when the that community become stable or permanent committee is formed, so this evolution takes place. Gradual evolution will take place. So to make the stable committee, this that these changes will occur. So finally the committee becomes stable and permanent. So that committee is said to be stabilized committee, that is called climax committee of ecological succession. So this climate and the committee are in complete harmony. So both are interrelated. Climate and community. The community will depend upon that the climate. So there is a harmony between this climate and community. So in this succession, this process you have seen in last lecture. So this succession has two types: primary succession and secondary succession. In primary succession, in this succession, the concept that communities proceed through predictable or step-by-step process of change over time. So this in these communities, uh, they will proceed through predictable step-by-step process of change over time. So in this, the communities will form gradually after replacement of the old community. New community colonizing site may be replaced completely, or they simply become replacement of the old committee. So gradually new committees form. They will adjust with the environment. For development of this succession, bare area is necessary. So, or that bare area, new committees form. So, new committees form on a bare area. We start from the bare area. So that area which is not occupied by the committee which previously exists, the new area or new land, new committees form. So that is called primary succession. The examples of this rock, sand dunes, or lakes. So in this primary succession, growth of the ecosystem that takes place gradually over a long period of time. This succession will occur for longer period. For examples are rock to form rock formation or sand dunes, lake formation. It will require longer time. It will not occur in for a shorter period. Suddenly it will not occur, but it will require some period to form a certain community. It may be community of animals, community of the plants, etc. So it requires longer period of time. The example of the primary succession, the new land is formed after volcanic eruption. When volcanic eruption takes place, after cooling of that lava, that land, uh, the old land which come under volcanic eruption, so that land, after replacement of that land, new land is formed. So in that new land, that land becomes open land, and in that open land, in that bare area, new organism will be formed, new communities formed. On that bare area, some uh, new plants will grow. Colonization of that plants will occur in that new land. That this will occur at the initial stages. This is the primary stage. That is called primary succession. After primary succession, the secondary succession will begin. So that plants that will grow initially at the first stage, they are called pioneers. Pioneers are the plants which will grow at the initial stages, that are called pioneers or primary community or primary colonizers. So in that primary community, that includes this lichens, alga, fungi. These are the producers which included in that, in it in this primary community. So after primary succession, secondary succession will begin. So this succession will begin on an area which was previously occupied by well-developed communities. On a the co- on the area where the community which is already developed, which is already formed, in that area, this secondary succession will occur. So some communities that might have been lost due to fire, cyclones, landslides, drought, or flood, or due to earthquake, so that communities will be replaced by new communities. So in this secondary succession, the area uh, which is rich in nutrients. So in that area, the secondary succession or growth of that community will be faster. That will take place in shorter period. The example of the secondary succession. So when the forest, the revival of the forest after fire. Suppose एका जंगलामध्ये आपण एखाद्या वेळेस आग लागली असेल, त्यावेळेस काय होतं, some complete forest will be destroyed due to that fire. So after fire, the whole area will be destroyed. So uh, when that fire, uh, after the fire, after the that destruction of that whole area, so new area will be formed. The seeds, the seeds of the plants that will remain in the ground, the underground organs like bulbs, tubers, some aerial shoots and roots remain in the soil. So after this, after the rainfall or area uh, that is come under which is which is destroyed by the fire. So the new area that will be formed, new plants will grow, new trees will be begin to grow in that area. So new area ecosystem is formed in that area. So this is the secondary succession. That forest area is converted into new ecosystem. So old community that will be replaced by new community. This is a secondary succession. New plants are grown in that area. See this image that shows the succession. In case of pond water ecosystem and grassland ecosystem, it is shown the sequential order of growth of the communities. In the water, how they will grow. The shapes are shown initially. Uh, the growth of the plant will be less 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So gradual growth will occur. Initially in the soil, the seeds are laid. Then after application of water, that plants are grown. So as the time passes, these plants will be grown. The stabilization of the community will occur. Initially, uh, the area will be plain, that is nudation, and the invasion. Next, second process is the invasion. After that, competition and coaction will start. After competition and coaction, reaction will start. After reaction, the stabilization of the community will start. That is known as climax or stabilization. These are the stages of succession. So, समजलं इकॉलॉजिकल सक्सेशन समजलं नसेल तर विचारा. Okay. So in next lecture we'll see the various stages of the succession. It includes phytoplankton stage, submerged stage, floating stage, reed swam stage, stage meadow stage or marsh meadow stage, woodland stage, and forest stage. There are the various stages of this ecological succession that we'll see in next lecture. Everyone give attendance in chat box. Everyone give attendance in chat box. सगळ्यांनी दिले अटेंडन्स? कोणी राहिले का?